Need the key. This is for the toilet tank. Need the key to open it up. This is the tank, and you would slide this out, twist this out, open up the lid, and pour water in there. You know, fresh water, any kind of water. That's what you're going to use to flush with. You can see this is the indicator right here how much water you have. If it's, you know, all the way up there, then it's full. If you're getting down here, you're running low. Anyways, that stays on. You know, I'm gonna flush it because there's water in there. Before you take it out, follow me. Let me show you something. It's important to leave a little bit of water on the top of the tank. Let's see. This is how you get some water in there. I don't have much in the tank because it was in storage. You open it, flush it like that. That open it up, let everything drop into the tank. Close it, and you pretty much want to give that a couple twists and leave a little bit of water in there. That way, it's a vapor barrier, keeps any odors from coming in. However, I use treatment also in there in each tank and that prevents it, breaks down everything. You don't put toilet paper in there, and it cuts down on odors and makes it easy to pour out when it comes time for that. Oh, but I'm going to empty the tank, so make sure that you don't have the water sitting there for that. Open it up. It flushed. Close it. We'll go back outside. A good chance you'd want to be wearing rubber gloves when you're doing this, but I'm not actually going to empty it. I'm just going to show you what you would do. Perhaps have a towel or a rag with you. There's a little clip right here. Kind of push that down, grab the handle, just slide this out. Take the whole thing out. There's a handle. You go to wherever you're going to dump, whether it's a dumping station or a toilet. And this one, you open up, take the lid off, put it over the toilet or the dumping station hole, and just dump it out. Perhaps you want to squirt some water in there. There's probably a hose at the dump station. Maybe hose it out if you want to, but no big deal. Close it back up. Push that back over here. Oh, this is also a vent button for when you go to pour it. You can vent it and it comes out easier. And you can see how that is right there. That's where you put the fresh water or the water for flushing. Anyways, just set this back inside of here. This will open up on its own once it goes in. And it's secure. And then I'm going to go back inside and put a little bit of water on there. You could also take those sanitizing tablets, which are made for RV cassette toilets like this. The tablet, or however the chemical comes. This is opened up. Drop one of those in the tank. Make sure that's closed. A twist of water. And that's that. This is the hot water tank. You would open it up here. There's directions here and here. I always put it on, well, to get the hot water going first, I'll put it on high. Won't take too long to get the hot water, but after that I put it on low, and that's adequate. Here's how you light it. You turn it to the pilot. You gotta push down and turn it to pilot, and then you, well, I don't have the propane tank on, but you go like that to light it, and you would see in there the little flame. That means it's lit. And then after it's lit, turn it to on. And like I said, all the instructions are right here. So anyways, I'm gonna turn that off. And this is, you would hook up to the shore power or generator. I'm gonna hook it up to the generator in a little bit. Right here is an outdoor shower, kind of like the inside, but just a hose so you can cool off or rinse off, get the mud off or whatever. This is the refrigerator access. This can run off of the propane or electricity. If you're going to put it on electricity, use the green button, or if you're going to use or the battery, put it on the 12 volt. Otherwise, you can use the propane also. That's the 12 volt. Right here is how you turn up high or low on for the refrigerator on this dial right here. Stop. This is the refrigerator area. This is where you would use the propane gas to run the refrigerator. But you can't use both. One or the other. Right now it says off. Okay, right, this is the refrigerator area. Right here is where you would, there's a 20-gallon tank, I believe it is, under there. This is where you would fill up the water. If you don't have a water hookup where you're going, if you're, boondocking or whatever, that's where you fill the water tank. Over here, this is where you would hook the water hose. If you had hookup for water, hook it up onto there, turn on the water out here, and then you've got water. There's the kitchen sink and for the shower. This is for the drain for the kitchen sink right here. You would have there's the fitting, PVC fitting that screws onto there, and either you come down to a drain hose into the drain or a holding tank. You put right here, just let it drain into the holding tank, but then you got to go empty the holding tanks. This is just a cap. This is where you put the garden, essentially a garden hose for your water line. This drain over here, this is the front door side, or the door side. This drain is for the shower. Again, you would put, there's a PVC fitting, fits into there, and it either goes to a drain or into a holding tank, and then you got to empty the tank. This is about 20 foot long. electricity here where I'm at, so I'm going to use this generator. Need this adapter, it's 30 amp. So 110, that's just for this generator. Alright, let's go in and turn on the AC. Right now it's on heat from the last place. Halloween in North Carolina was cold, 27 degrees. Oh, I gotta plug this in. The AC right down here. The air conditioner, it's on low. Lights, some more lights. This is the water pump that you would have to turn on. Our tanks are empty, so I can't demonstrate that, but you would need to turn that on in order for water to come out of the sink. This feels nice. I'm looking for something. Can you see my hair? So you can see it blow. See my hair. Going good. That's low. There's high. That little Honda generator's running this. That's that.